Hi, it's Pete Cohen here, and this man is on fire. Not literally, but we all know what this girl is on fire is all about. It's about helping everyday people just like you be inspired to have a fire burning inside you to help you achieve what you want in your life, to be happy, to be healthy. I'm a coach. I've been coaching people for many years. Maybe some of you recognize me because I was on GMTV for many years and various other TV programs. I've had the great privilege of working very closely with Andrea, not only coaching her, but also working with her on some of the TV programs that we did. And in these series of videos, I'm here to inspire you, to help you have an incredible year. 365 days, in fact, there's less than that now, but there's a few days left in this year. And I want to ask you, what sort of year would you like to have? Because if you don't think about this, what's probably going to happen is you're going to have a very similar year to the year that you had last year, 2018, and that'll probably be the year the same as the year before. And I don't know about you, but I would imagine that there are goals and dreams and ambitions that you have, but in order for you to fulfill them, you've got to do things differently. Because if you always do what you've always done, you'll always get what you've always got. And maybe this year is the year to walk down a different path, to take a different door to a different future. And if that's you, then you've come to the right place. Because over the next few videos that I'm going to make to inspire you, I want to help you look at things differently. We know that people don't change when we tell them what to do. It's like if you go on a diet and you're being told what to do, you might do it for a bit, but ultimately you go back to what you know. If you want to create a new you, you've come to the right place. So let's look at this. Let's start off by helping you understand why in the past you have failed in the things that you've wanted to achieve, or maybe you have achieved, but then you failed and gone back to what you were doing before. This is not just you, it's probably most people out there. And there are a few reasons for that, but one of the reasons is we can all be a hero in the beginning. In fact, there's an ancient Sanskrit word that actually means that, a hero in the beginning. That they recognized this thousands of years ago, that you could start off with great intentions, but those great intentions after a few days would go out the back door. It's estimated that over 80% of people that set New Year's resolutions by January the 12th will go back to what they know. Now, do you want that? No. Chances are you don't. And what I want to do is help you to be inspired so history doesn't repeat itself. So these are the three main areas that most people want to set goals in, right? We put it into a triangle, and these are the areas that we kind of need to watch out for. Your health. Is your health important? Do you want better health, better energy, more vitality? Chances are the other areas are your relationships, which is your family and your friends. Maybe there are some goals that you want to set around there. And then there's your work and your service. Maybe you're looking for a new job. Maybe you're going back to work. Maybe you want to enjoy your work a bit more. That we all have areas here that we would probably want to improve, especially if you could wave a magic wand. What I want to help you understand is the reason we struggle so much is because of history, of what we've done in the past, but also because we don't actually think we're going to succeed. But what I want to explain to you is we are what the Greeks called teleological. What that means is that we are goal-orientated people. We need goals. You had a goal today. Your goal maybe is to watch this video, and then you have another goal. It might be to, I don't know, cook dinner, go to the toilet, pick up the kids. We need to set goals. But what gives us most fulfillment in life is going after goals that we feel are worthy and that we have a big enough why. And this is what I'd like you to think about. Why? Why do you want to have goals around your health? And what are those goals? Do you want to be slimmer, fitter, healthier, have more energy, less pain in your body? Why do you want this? And to think about it, maybe to make a long list, and better relationships, better mother, better daughter, better friend, better relationship with the people you work with. Why? Why do you want that? Why? Why? And your work and service. Why do you want to earn more money? Why do you want to write the book? All of these things, it all boils down to this: having a big enough why. And that's what I'd like you to think about today. Take some time, get a pen and paper, think about those areas. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to take consistent action every single day so you start to get results that move you in the direction that you want to go. Thank you for watching this. This man, this girl, everyone can have that ability to be inspired, to be on fire inside, to go after their goals and their dreams and their ambitions. Let's make 2019 amazing. See you soon.